Fearless journalism starts here at the University of Maryland. Practice real-world journalism from day one, using cutting-edge creative tools to find your calling and set yourself apart from the pack. Report from DC, Annapolis, Baltimore, across the country, and abroad, and take part in national investigations and local coverage to shed light on the stories that need to be told. Learn from a faculty of Pulitzer and Peabody winners in an intimate setting on the doorstep of the nation's capital.
Welcome back to CNS
Immerse
TV.
yourself
Tonight
in
on
sports, broadcasts, and documentaries. Innovate with data, AI, and audience engagement to reach the peak of your industry. At the Philip Merrill College of Journalism, we make the difference for you so you can make a difference.